I do if I restarted Forex and I needed some advice? So the first thing I would tell myself is get funded. Now, the reason why I'm saying get funded, and I know a lot of people will be like, but you have to go through an exam or a test and you have to pass it, and there's a long procedure. I might as well just, wait for money, like, to grow my account. Now, the reason why I say get funded is because when I started Forex, I actually grasped the concept of it very, very quickly. The only reason why it was a slow process for me is because I had to, grow an account basically. I had to grow £100 account to 1,000, then £1,000 account to, 5 to 10,000, right? And it took so long, 2, 3 years it took. But if someone told me that, I can just pay £100 or £120, whatever the FTMO is, and I can spend £100 to get a 10k account, that's a no-brainer. I would do it, right? And the reason why I would do it is because I know I can pass that test, and I know that I will easily be able to get funded, and I can then grow a 10k account. Yes, I have to give, probably like 20% to them, right, of my profits. But I can grow an account that's now 10,000 and have, let's say, a nice figure every month. I could get, let's say, £500 a month, £600 a month, right? That's way better than trying to flip an account that's £100 to 1,000 or £10 to 100, right? It's too much of a hassle, and you're risking ridiculous amount of money when you're having a smaller account. When you have a larger account, you can now risk, 1 to 2% or 3%, which I do now. But before, I was doing ridiculous, risking. I was risking around 20%, 30%, 40%, almost 50% of my account. I was risking, and the reason why I kept blowing accounts is because I just don't have the capital. Now, everyone has the opportunity to, get funded and, actually have the capital, right? Yes, you have to go through a test, but that's the test to see if you're a profitable trader. If you're not a profitable trader, then you don't need to get funded. But if you're a profitable trader on a small account, definitely try and get funded. Now, the second tip I'll give, or the advice I'll give, is stop buying courses. Now, the reason why I stopped my course is because I'm actually updating the course, but for now I'm giving free advice. And the reason why I thought of that is because I'm already making money on Forex, right? Now, I don't need to take you lots money and, capitalize off that. Obviously, sometimes you have to charge an advice, right? You have to charge for an advice, but there's certain people out there, unfortunately, in the Forex industry that just scam, that just don't give you the advice, or they don't actually do what they say. Now, I've gone through so many, MLMs, I've heard of Ponzi schemes, I've heard of, just basically scamming, pump and dumps. There's so many of them in this industry for Forex or investing. But if I just used the free data that I have, for example, baby pips or YouTube, I wouldn't have to, pay. One time I must have paid, saved up my money and paid for a course, which wasn't even the greatest. Didn't learn anything. Everything they spoke about was on baby pips or on YouTube, right? And the reason why I'm doing videos on YouTube is because that free advice is on YouTube, like it's on baby pips. You don't need to buy a course to become the most profitable trader, right? Obviously, yes, sometimes you do need to get a course, see how someone else is trading, see how they're trading, see how they're, if they're, let's say, academy is very profitable, then yes, I wouldn't mind paying, but that's £1,000, £2,000. It doesn't make sense if you're broke or you don't have a capital in your account to pay £2,000 to learn Forex when Forex is more of a practical learning thing, right? You have to actually do Forex. You have to actually trade to learn. So I wouldn't pay right now if I just started Forex. I wouldn't pay to buy a course or buy an academy. I wouldn't do that. I would actually use the free advice that people give on YouTube. I would use baby pips, and I'll try and get into as many forums as I can. There's forums on Facebook, there's Discord servers, there's Telegram chats. There's so many free things online that I would do. So that's number 2. Number 3, I would stop thinking that Forex is a money flipping thing, right? When I first started Forex, I was actually in an MLM, and all I got told was, £50, turn it to 1,000. £10, turn it to 100, right? Yes, I have done videos like that on YouTube, but that's just for fun. When I'm actually focused on Forex, I think a lot of traders need to stop thinking that Forex is a money flipping scheme or Forex is a get rich quick scheme. It's not going to take a year to become profitable in Forex. It's not going to take 2 years. It could take 4 years, 8 years, 10 years. If you're ready to commit to that, Forex is for you. If you just feel like, okay, I have £50 and I'm going to flip it. If you think like that, what's going to happen? You're going to blow the account. The market hates when small account traders are trying to flip their account. They hate it. They're going to blow your account. Simple. So that's something that I had to learn the hard way. Multiple blown accounts. But if I had to give advice to the people that are just starting Forex or to my past self, I would say stop thinking to flip accounts, because flipping accounts is a really bad mentality to have in Forex. You start over leveraging, you start over trading, you start trying to, do 0.1 pips or standard lot size, or you try to do crazy stuff, right, with your account, and you end up just blowing it. Right? I've had people message me saying, I've just lost £500, £600 that I grew from £100. You've had 600% growth, right? But what happened is you couldn't hold that growth, right? You couldn't hold that. And that's because you had the mentality to flip your account. Now, the next step or tip I would give is, once I understood how the Forex, MetaTrader 5 works or MetaTrader 4, whatever platform you're using, get off demo ASAP. Reason why: demo is fake money. Demo has nothing to do with psychology. Demo has you have no reason to, there's nothing to, you're not scared about losing in your trade. You're not scared, there's nothing to, it doesn't hold weight, right? Now, the reason why I hate demo accounts, and I tell all my traders that if you're going to even start off in Forex, just put a £10 account in, or whatever. Some, brokers only let you put £50 or £100. Put that in your account. Don't even bother trading. Just get the hang of, buying, selling, market execution, standard lot sizes, checking all the lot sizes out. Or do that on a demo account, but get onto a real account ASAP. That's something that I should have forced myself to do, because if I just was on a demo, I was on a demo account for like 3-4 months, and I was showing that, I'm hitting £500, I'm hitting £1,000 a day, daily. But because it wasn't real money, and then when I got to the real money, it was like, okay, I'm trying to do the same thing, but it's not working. Why isn't it working? It's because psychology is hitting. Now I'm scared. I'm like, hold on a minute. There's so much to trading than just buying and selling currency or a share or crypto, right? There's so much to it. And I think that's what a lot of traders need to learn, is that stop going on demo accounts. I know a lot of, gurus and stuff like they use fake accounts and stuff. That's their own journey. Like, if they want to do that, let them do that. But if you are really into Forex and you feel like this is a platform that you can monetize, you can make money, stop using demo accounts and stop following these gurus and just make your own journey. That gets on to my next point, and the last point is journalizing my trading experience. Now, the reason why I say journalizing my experience in trading is because right now I journalize on my notes on my iPad. But if I was just journalizing, maybe writing on a book or recording myself trade or recording my journey or, writing something down, every single day I trade, right, writing a journal. Nowadays you got, my FX book, but back then I didn't even know about my FX book, right? I was writing. But if I did that earlier, I think I would have been way more profitable, and I would have had more discipline, because I'm actually writing and I'm learning and I'm doing progress. When you write down your experience in trading, every single time you traded, I guarantee you're going to get better. Try it for a week, try it for 2 weeks or a month. Journalize your trading experience. Once you journalize it, and once you actually write your experience as a trader, and you talk about, your losses and your wins and why you won and why you lost, I'm telling you, you are going to become so profitable in trading. You will, from losing every single day, you will suddenly start to see, okay, I'm break even. Okay, now I'm profitable. And those are the steps that you're going to have. And then you're going to realize that you're very, very disciplined. You're becoming super disciplined in trading. And now you can actually grow a small account. Now, the reason why journalizing is so important when it comes to trading is because you forget how many pips you did this week, you forget how many losses you made a week, and the next week you do the exact same thing. You actually replicate what you did the previous week, and you have no growth. Once I started, journalizing in my trading, I write it on notes. Suddenly, I started to learn, okay, I need to stop trying to break out trade. Maybe I need to start using a different strategy, or maybe I need to start, trading in different time zones or different time frames, right? And I started to learn that, and it only happened, I only got that eureka moment is when I started writing it down and just basically evaluating how my week went, or just talking about how my month went, or my day-to-day trading journey went. So that's it for you lot. I hope you lot actually learned something new to Forex. And if you are new to Forex, take this advice, because this is something I would tell myself, and I can guarantee you will become profitable much quicker if you just follow these steps. So other than that, I hope you lot like this video. Subscribe down below and make sure you join my Discord if you want to see free Forex analysis. So other than that, see you lot in the next video.